So one of the ideas I started learning when it comes to taking action, taking massive action, is that you need to accumulate your energy and then go into a level where you can carry on a certain pace and go just like up as you can and as minimize the lows much as you can. Meaning, if you are working as hard as you can, that would be really good. You're performing at a high rate, at a high performance level. However, if you are not feeling it at a certain day and you want to, get a little bit of time off, you shouldn't do nothing. You should just do enough to keep the momentum going. And what do I mean by that? Let's say, for example, you are driving, yeah? And sometimes you step on not on the brakes, on the accelerator, and your car starts accelerating, meaning the speed gets higher and higher. However, if you want to rest your leg, your foot, you should just take your foot, lift your foot off the accelerator, and you shouldn't press on the brakes, which is stopping what you want to do, stopping what you have to do, essentially. And that is a big problem. That is a huge problem that a lot of people suffer from, which is they start doing something, they get into a momentum, and then they spend 2 days, 3 days, 1 week doing nothing. You can rest for 1 day, but you can't rest for 3 to 4, 5, 7 days, because that will ultimately create stagnant energy in your momentum, in your habits, and you don't want to do that. So it's the same when it comes to social skills. It's the same when it comes to speaking. You need to be speaking all the time. You need to be able to talk all the time and sell all the time if you have something to sell. You need to start nourishing and keep nourishing your personal brand all the bloody time, because you cannot afford the luxury of stopping and stagnating. As I said, 1 day is okay. 2 to 3 days are not really okay. They're not really good. They're not going to be good for the long run. All right? So be considerate of the momentum that you have in your life, and then you can actually go from one point to another. And this is my message today. Keep the momentum. If you're tired today, let's say you're going to the gym, you go to the gym every 4 days a week. Today you're very tired, you cannot go and you can't be asked. You really don't want to go. Just go to the gym, run a bit, and come back home. This will just keep the momentum going, the act of doing it. You can just go to the gym, drive to the gym, and then drive back home. That means that you took the action, took that extra mile that you didn't want to take, and then you came back. And that's just enough. And this is how momentum works. Just keep going and do something every single day. Just like, for example, this video today. Today I wanted to rest. I didn't want to film today, but I made a commitment to film every day. Now, did I make the commitment to film high quality videos every day with structure, step-by-step tips? No. Just film a video every day, and that is what I have to stay committed to, which is a selfie video. Yeah, this is a selfie video of me talking to you. And I don't even know if I'm looking at the camera or not. It's a little bit complicated when it comes to iPhones, yeah? So I'm using my iPhone. So yeah, be consistent. Consistency is very important, all right? So thank you so much. This has been Jihad Mahamdi. I'm a coach. I coach public speaking, communication skills for introverts and anyone who suffers with that area of their lives. Now, if you want to work with me, you can contact me on my social media. I'll put a link of my website shortly. It's right now it's being worked on, all right? If you want to support me, like my video, share it with the people whom you think may benefit from it, and I will be waiting for you if you want to chat. Thank you so much, and cheers.